Most people hear DUI fine and picture a single number. The reality is layered. California law stacks mandatory penalty assessments on top of the base fine, and those multipliers can balloon the total court obligation to several times the starting amount. That does not yet include anything outside the courthouse. A first offense DUI conviction typically carries a base fine of several $100s, but once the county and state penalty assessments are added, the out-of-pocket court obligation often lands in the low thousands. On top of that, a DUI school is mandatory. Depending on the program length ordered by the court, that program carries its own separate fee paid directly to a licensed provider. A DUI triggers a separate process at the DMV, independent of the criminal court. Your license can be suspended, and getting it back means paying a reissue fee to the DMV. Many drivers also need an ignition interlock device, or IID, installed in their vehicle. The IID requires a monthly monitoring fee for the entire period it is ordered, which can be several months to over a year. This is often the largest long-term cost, and the one people underestimate most. After a DUI, California insurers are allowed to reclassify you as high risk. You will likely be required to file an SR-22 certificate, which is simply a form your insurer files with the DMV confirming you carry minimum coverage. The premium increase that comes with that high-risk status can add tens of thousands of dollars over the years it remains on your public driving record. Your public driving record, the one insurers and most employers can access, reflects the DUI for 10 years. After that 10 years, the conviction no longer appears on the standard driving record check. However, the DMV keeps a permanent internal record that shows up on certain transcript requests and is used to count priors if you are ever arrested for DUI again in the future. So while some costs fade, the underlying record does not disappear entirely. Beyond the direct financial hits, a DUI can affect employment, especially jobs that require a clean driving record or professional license. Rental car companies can refuse service. Some professional licensing boards require disclosure of a DUI conviction. These indirect costs are harder to put a number on, but are very real for many people. Results vary widely depending on individual circumstances. The total cost of a California DUI, when you add up fines, fees, insurance, and collateral consequences, is routinely far more than people expect before it happens. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI defense lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.